Thank you very much for watching my little life channel. In my previous video, I used 6 pots of Dylon machine dye and dye my clothes into different colors. Also use hand dye and dye my white jumper into navy color. First video is experiment to change color one to the other. Also about hand dye. This time, I'll use those 3 colors and then dye mainly white things into colors. I think Dylon is very useful when you want to dye very plain clothes into very vivid color. So I hope you find this experiment useful. Let's get started. Yellow example. First one is pink cotton cardi. This was very easy one. It comes out nice solid sunflower yellow. This shirt has got special pattern in the fabric, and that pattern has stayed as it is. This also worked for thick canvas cotton bag. It's gone completely yellow both inside and outside, also handle. Only slightest disappointment is, it seems like black logo part is faded out. I feel it's okay for this case, but maybe it depends on the design. Orange example. This orange called fresh orange. I found that it's turned out very deep orange. It's almost like carrot. But actually at the tops it's very nice vivid color. And much with like navy color or blue jeans on the bottom, I think. For both yellow and orange, I did quite interesting experiment, which is this mask. This mask is synthetic. Body part is 90% nylon and strings part is 90% polyester. According to the instruction, Dylon machine dye is not suitable for full synthetic. But I still wanted to try it. The outcome is shade gone to softer, so yellow gone to more like creamy yellow, and then orange gone to the salmon pink. Also, strings part comes out with nice interesting stripe pattern. Navy example. For this skirt, I decided not to use spray dye and see how it's changed. My concern was it could have gone to the brown, mixing orange and navy, but seems like gone for completely navy. I'm very pleased with that. This is a denim look like cotton dress, and I really like the outcome. The pattern comes out more standing out, with darker color. This one is thin cotton summer dress. This shiny stripe pattern has left as it is, almost standing out. Also, the design of the birds around the neck. This is another cotton bag I've tried. It worked okay, but the contrast in between dots and white part is gone a bit flat. So those are all my experiments for this time. How to use Dylon is not really difficult and not much things I have to show you, but I'll summarize very briefly here again. Firstly, important thing is weight, the clothes. One pot can dye up to 600 grams. I tend to go for less than this, so that I can definitely get very solid shade. Dump all the clothes, put into the washing machine. And peel the package and lid of the pot, put into the washing machine. Close the door. Then run with 40 centigrade longest cycle for cotton. That's it. Once it's done, you picked up the pot. Then use detergent, wash as normal, using exactly same setting again. It tends to take quite long, like few hours. You need to have a decent time to do this. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and find it useful. If you like this, please check my other videos. Also subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a good day.